Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about choosing yourself and not waiting for others to choose you and not waiting to be celebrated by other people. Sometimes you just have to choose yourself. We've all got situations or stories where we've had to wait for someone to give us the green light, or for example, if you went to a job interview for your dream job and you're in that process where you're waiting for that confirmation email to tell you've got that job, you've gone and done an audition for this acting role that you've always wanted, and you're in that process, in that time, in that space where you're waiting for somebody to tell you whether you're good enough, whether you've got the role or you haven't, or whatever it is that you've waited for, and that's needed someone else's approval. We all have different examples of this. Sometimes we have to stop waiting for other people to validate us. You have to stop waiting for other people to tell you that you're great. There may be situations where you're waiting forever for the perfect dream job, or you're waiting forever for the perfect acting role, or whatever it is that you may be trying to attain. So by choosing yourself means sometimes creating opportunities for yourself, creating a situation where you don't have to wait for other people to choose you. You can choose yourself. You can choose to create, or instead of waiting for the perfect dream job that you want, sometimes why not create a space where you don't have to wait for other people to give you a job? Why not even start your own production, working on your own movies per se, if you wanted to be an actress, rather than waiting for that perfect role. You can be the one that creates the role. So it's important to be able to figure out different ways you can choose yourself, because we all know how hard it is to put your faith in someone else's hands. Unless it's life-threatening, there's so many different ways you can go. There's so many different paths you can take so that you don't have to put your faith in someone else's hands. In all situations, you have to choose yourself first. I'm not saying be selfish, but put yourself in a position where you've got the option to be number one. You've got the option to have different opportunities, so you don't have to put your luck or your time or your effort and wait for someone else's approval. And most of the time, we've all had experiences where you've done all you can, you've done all your best, but you've been prejudged, and that person just doesn't give you the opportunity, no matter how great you are, just because they don't like you. So to avoid all those situations, aim to put yourself in a place where you are choosing yourself, and create a life where you don't wait for nobody but yourself. And also remember that someone else's opinion of you is not your reality, and you can apply this to your day-to-day life. You may be put in uncomfortable situations, rather than going with that status quo. Choose yourself. Choose to put yourself at peace. Choose to put yourself in a situation where you're not involved with all the negativity that's going on. Remember, despite what you're going through, remember to choose yourself. That doesn't mean be selfish. Choose yourself and make sure that you're not putting your fate in someone else's hands, unless of course it's life-threatening. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to choose yourself. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know all the different ways you've chosen yourself this week, or you've chosen yourself in life, and I'd love to hear your opinions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.